Aba bafundi bafundela phandle nanjengoko bengenamagumbi okufunda.
The constitution is clear about the rights for education to our learners. Then it becomes challenge to celebrate it, where you take a child from your house, taking out to go and be at a school where he's going to be subjected to such situation.
Kuxinene kumagumbi okufunda bangaphaya kwe-1,400 abafunda babhalisele ukufunda kwesisikolo. Igumbi ngalinye lokufunda linabafundi abaphakathi kwama-40 uyokutsho kuma-55, nto leyo yenza kube nzima ukufundisa nakootitshala.
Lana esikoleni ye-overcrowding since 2019. Sayenza sure ukuthi sibhalela i-department incwadi to tell them ukuthi no sinenkinga concerning overcrowding, and kwagcina lapho i-Department of Labour ivala na 2 yama-classes la beyangase right.
Currently we need about 8 mobile classes to accommodate our learners so that we avoid the overcrowding. So they do come to school, but then due to weather conditions we have to send the learners back at home.
Isebe lezemfundo lithembise ngokulungisa iingxaki zokushokoxeka kwamagumbi okufunda kwesisikolo liqwalasele neminye imingeni.
Sizosebenza kanye ne-school governing body sithole ama-additional mobile classes lapha esikoleni, sisabheke ukuthi singabanceda kanjani ngokuphelele.
Ngelixa abazali bevuma ukuba ukufumana amagumbi okufunda ethutyana kuza kuba luncedo, esisikolo sisadinga ukulungiswa.